Hello, hello.
Ay, bakit ka nakabihis? Mr.
Di ba,
B.
di ba nga may show ako?
Meron ba? Ngayon?
Oo. Oo.
Ay, nasa Bataan ka ba ngayon?
Bukas pa yun.
Ano ngayon?
Pinko Plus.
Okay. Saan
VIP,
yan?
Jupiter, VIP party.
Sa Makati?
Makati.
Kasama mo din si Lil Eddie.
Yeah.
What's
Si Papi.
Sky?
Ha?
What's up daw, Eddie Sky?
She said, what? Tell him I said the sky. He said, what's up?
Sky. Sky. Mama daw. Single si brother. Hi, Lil Eddie. Si brother Eddie talaga.
Say hello, Eric.
Hi, Eddie. God, you're so cute.
Lil Eddie, you're so cute.
Yeah, you're so cute. You're chubby baby boy.
Oh, agad ka din. Ganun ka din.
This is it. I finally found someone. Yeah, Eddie, bakit gusto mong gawin kong baby ah?
Mama, nahihitigan ka niya.
Finally, Eddie.
Hola.
Ang hina naman ang boses mo, man, hindi ka na
That's your
naririnig.
makeup artist.
Who's that?
That's your makeup artist.
Oh, really?
Hi, thank you po.
How is your taping? Maraming kang sequence?
Bakit sila kukulang?
Dito ako nakukuna.
Madami, namamayang one.
Hanggang 1 o'clock
Banana?
Hanggang 1 a.m. ka dyan?
I eat when everyone.
Oo.
yesterday.
Saan ba yan? Sa GMA?
Oo. Yes.
Pag natapos ako maaga, dalawang kita?
Bahala ka.
Sige. Si Maruti and Wella, they're inviting for dinner dito lang malapit sa Makati. Yung gagawa ng Katie Jewels.
Okay.
So we're gonna go meet them at the
Bakit wala
Indian.
naman ako messages dito, ma? Okay.
Di ko alam.
Did you see the magic that I did for you?
Ano, bulaklak? Bakit wala,
May
Chris?
isang tungkol dapat yun kasi hindi ka sa ilong.
Hindi.
These are visible.
Hindi nakikita.
Na-miss ko na si Katie. 2 days ko na siya hindi nakita.
Wait lang. I'll try.
Nasa bahay.
It's okay to.
They went to nine. Is that the chair?
I haven't seen you
So,
guys
ano
for
oras
3 days.
alis niyo bukas?
Right. Check.
My sound check is at 3, so we have to leave at 1 p.m.
2 hours lang ba yung Bataan?
Saan ba?
Bataan.
See? Did you check?
2 hours or 3 hours ba?
Baka 4.
Yun, depende.
Maybe 12.
Parang
Maybe
3
12,
hours.
At 12:30.
There?
Hello.
Hi.
Mama daw. Miss
Ay, may
me.
nag-hi sa'yo dito. Chris.
Like that.
Yo, what's up? What's up? It's SOP Party Pilipinas.
What up,
Here's
G?
TD7.
Hey. What up,
What's up,
G?
man?
How's it going, bro?
Sorry, kakain ko lang.
Okay na.
How are you? How are you? How are you, man? Where are you? Are
Miss
you
you,
here?
bro.
Miss you, man. Are you in the Philippines?
No, I'm in.
Yeah.
Oo.
No, I'm in Jupiter.
Jupiter Street?
Yes.
See you, brother. See you. Nice to see you.
See you,
man.
bro. Good
Nice
to
to
see
see
you.
you.
Nice to see you.
Miss B, they want to say hi. They said they're big fans now. Si Tita Sylvia.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Number one fan mo.
Thank you.
Tapos ito,
Miss Joy.
Miss Joy nag-book
Hi,
sa akin.
Miss Joy.
Asawa ko si Tito Ning.
Hello po.
From Vista
Hello.
From Vista Malls.
From
Kay,
Vista Malls.
kay ano po, kay Senator Villar.
Oh, okay. Hello po.
Mrs. Chris also, Chris Marcos.
Hi.
Hi.
Ay, sino yung taga Villar? I'm from Las Piñas. I'm Villar.
Anong kailangan?
Okay. Did you see all the balloons yesterday?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, KKK
Thank you so much, KKK Middle East.
KKK Middle East. Maraming salamat.
salamat. Grabe.
Yung cake, alam
Ang
mo,
agam,
naubos ko yung cake.
ang agam pa birthday, guys. May nag-message sa akin mga tinatanong kung na-receive na daw. Excited daw sila sa reaction video nung yung reaction video kasi natin nandun sa screen lang, di ba?
This is
Oo nga.
So, nung umuwi
I think
thank you so much sa KKK Circle at sa mga nag-sponsor sa KKK Circle.
Thank you, KKK Circle. We love you. Are you ready for your songs with the band?
Ha? I'm always ready.
Yes. Yes.
Kailangan lang ng gasolina.
Okay. Bubuksan ba natin yung ano?
Gasolina, tapos ayusin yung echo. Okay na.
Baka hindi ka na makakanta nun na.
Baka di ka na nga makakanta eh. Kaya yung mga listahan mo, tago mo na lang.
Hug a mic.
Pag nasimulan niya,
Sasabihin ko sa banda, sabi mo, hindi mo alam, hindi mo alam, hindi mo alam.
Ay, may dala ako CD. Ay, ano, may dala ako
USB.
USB pala.
Your next, medyo sunod-sunod na break. So we can like go out of town. Wala? Kasi you're saving it for October, no? Not even weekend.
Bakit mo punta?
Wala. Let's say we go to like Grand Garage or, somewhere.
Wala.
Sige. New Manila na lang. Sige. Mag-warm up muna ako, Miss B, ha? Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
See you. Bye. Bye, Miss B. Bye, everybody.
Bye.